everyone, and welcome to this ChatGPT tutorial. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of OpenAI's language model and learn how to harness the power of ChatGPT. Section 1. What is ChatGPT? So what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning algorithms to generate text. It's based on the GPT-3 and GPT-4 architecture and has been trained on massive amounts of data, allowing it to generate highly coherent and diverse text on a wide range of topics. Section 2. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by using a deep neural network with multiple layers of attention mechanisms to generate text. It's trained on a massive amount of data, allowing it to learn the patterns and relationships between words, phrases, and entire sentences. When given a prompt, ChatGPT generates text by predicting the next word in the sequence based on the input it has received. Section 3, using ChatGPT. So in order to use ChatGPT, we're going to come to openai.com/blog/ChatGPT. From here, you can click on Try ChatGPT, and that will take you to chat.openai.com/chat. If you have not already created an account, you can sign up using a Gmail account, which is super simple, and then it'll spit you out to this page here. I'm currently subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, which is $20 a month, so that's why you see the plus sign here. And the model that you can use is GPT-4 when you have ChatGPT Plus. When you have ChatGPT normal, you'll still be able to use GPT 3.5. Section 4, prompt engineering. So now I'm going to give you guys a real-time example of how you could use ChatGPT. So for example, let's say you were looking for investment advice and you wanted to know what are the top 5 stocks to invest in. So we can go ahead and ask ChatGPT, what are the top 5 stocks to invest in? And we can go ahead and get the answer. As an AI language model, I cannot provide a financial advice or make specific stocks. That being said, here are some financial websites that you can check out. So it can't really act as a financial advisor or really as any expert, but you can train it to be an expert in the field by prompt engineering it. So prompt engineering just means creating a prompt with multiple things in it that's going to spit out the best result for you. So in this case, if we want to be an investment advisor, we could go to this GitHub right here, has a bunch of prompts already ready to go. We can take their investment advisor one here, copy it, go ahead and go to a new chat, paste this in. And here it says, you can see, seeking guidance from experienced staff with expertise on financial markets, incorporating factors such as inflation rate and return investments, along with stock trading prices over a lengthy period. Starting query, what is the best way to invest money short-term prospective? So let's go ahead and ask. Now, here you go. It's actually telling you certain ways that you can invest short-term. Sure, it doesn't give you specific ones, but we could follow up and ask, what's a good high-yield savings account? What's a good short-term bond fund? Keep in mind that ChatGPT does not have data after 2021. It's not trained on any data after 2021. So if you want up-to-date responses, this is not going to be the place for that. And I definitely don't recommend asking it for financial advice and just go ahead and blindly following it. But it's great as an assistant when it comes to writing code, writing scripts. I mean, really, you can use ChatGPT for anything. The possibilities are limitless. It's just up to you as the human to prompt it. People are getting a little bit too excited, and I think that people think they might be losing their job sometime soon, but that's really not the case, as humans are still very much required to prompt it. If anything, if you're an employee for a company or you work for yourself, you should be using ChatGPT to boost your productivity rather than just take over your whole job for you. Because if you take ChatGPT and you just tell it to do your job for you, it could produce incorrect responses, it might have infactual information, and it might not just be in the tone that you want it to be. So you want to make sure you're using this as an outline and then going ahead and putting your own touch on the final product. I hope you found this ChatGPT tutorial useful and informative. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and like and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks.